Hello and a very warm welcome, each one of you. Thank you, Vikas, Komal, and Madhulika, for joining in. Today, we are discussing practical techniques of mental healings from the book The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And while I was reading this chapter, it was supremely powerful. Um, I felt that there are multiple manifestation techniques that have been shared in this chapter. And if any of you have read this chapter, I would love to take your takeaways from it before we dive into the summary part of this book. किसी ने नहीं पढ़ा लग रहा है.
Yeah, not this week. I had read this book long before, so I just remember that it's a good book and quite it gives really amazing perspectives.
Hmm.
Totally on like I was about to say genie or a magic power. It is talking about healing power. This book is talking about our healing power, words matters. Yeah,
Yes,
that I remember.
absolutely. Vikas, would you like to share anything?
I
Vi-
have also read this book, but not now. If we can read it
ये
later,
चैप्टर पढ़े?
या फिर summary कर दोगे तो I can recollect whatever it is.
So this chapter talks about, how when we are in half sleep state and we think of the things that we want to manifest, it does manifest. तो इसके अंदर बड़े सारे किस्म के इन्होंने वो शेयर किए हैं. पासिंग ओवर टेक्निक ऑफ इंटीग्रेटिंग द सबकॉन्शियस, जिसके अंदर योर डीपर माइंड इज इन्फिनाइट इंटेलिजेंस एंड इन्फिनाइट पावर. Just calmly think over what you want, see it coming into fuller fruition from that moment forward, and you will start manifesting it as well. ऐसे ही इन्होंने दिया योर सबकॉन्शियस विल एक्सेप्ट योर ब्लूप्रिंट. हम सबको पता है कि आवर माइंड डज नॉट नो व्हाट इज ट्रू एंड व्हाट इज नॉट ट्रू. व्हाट वी से इज ट्रू टू इट. अब हमारे को उस चीज को उस लेवल पे उसको बताना है कि यस, दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव इन एंड इट डज कम ट्रू. इसके अंदर जो अच्छी चीज मेरे को इस वाले पैराग्राफ में लगी थी, इट सेड योर वर्ड इज साइलेंट एंड इनविजिबल, नेवरदलेस इट इज रियल. You are building your mental home all the time, and your thoughts and mental imagery represents your blueprint. Hours by hour, moment by moment, you can build radiant health, success, and happiness by the thoughts you think, the ideas which will harbor, and the beliefs that you accept, and scenes that you rehearse in the hidden studio of your mind. तो जो सोच रहे हो वो मैनिफेस्ट होने ही वाला है, तो यू बेटर बी माइंडफुल ऑफ व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग. Get a new blueprint, build silently by realizing peace, harmony, joy, and goodwill in the present moment. By dwelling upon these things and claiming them, your subconscious will accept your blueprint and bring all of these things to pass. By their fruits, ye shall know them. ठीक है. उसके बाद next technique that it said was the science and art of true prayer. तो this, what is this? बाइबल में लिखा है, ask and it shall be given, seek and ye shall find, knock and it shall be opened unto you. And that is how manifestation works here as well. You must ask believing if you are to receive. Your mind moves from the thought to the thing. Unless there is first an image in your mind, it cannot move, for there would be nothing for it to move towards. Your prayers, which is your mental act, must be accepted as an image in your mind before the power from your subconscious will play upon it and make it productive. That was about that. ठीक है. उसके बाद विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक, वी ऑल नो अबाउट विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक. उसके अंदर भी जो मैंने अंडरलाइन किया लाइंस, आई विल शेयर. Any picture which you have in mind is the
करिश्मा, हम
substance.
कौन से पेज पे हैं?
This is page number 85.
Okay.
Any picture which you have in your mind is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. What you form in your imagination is real as any part of your body. The idea and the thoughts are real and will one day appear in your objective world if you are faithful in your mental image. And this is very powerful because I still remember unknowingly जब मैंने बोला था किचन में खड़े होके कि भगवान एक दिन ऐसा जरूर आए कि नीरज should be waiting for me and I should be somewhere busy. And that has happened. So it does happen. Then there is a
Karishma, even I also said so, that there should be one day when Rajiv should ask me for my appointment. Then when are you available?
yes.
Even I say such things. I don't know why everyone feels these things sometimes. Emotion.
Yes.
Mama, when my mom doesn't listen, na, it's like a mom-daughter relationship. Then I say, Mom, you will have to take time for me then later on. Because we keep on talking. I am telling all stories to mom. Sometimes she will be in a meditative state. Even if she's eating, she will love to be in silence or meditation, and I would love to tell her story. That is a mismatch. So then she says, then I was okay, you don't listen, you will have to take time. Yeah.
Wow, wonderful. And you know how NLP में WAC system is very powerful. आप विजुअल देखते हो, आप उसको कैसे फील हो रहा है, क्या सुनाई दे रहा है. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. This author has shared, I use the visualization technique prior to speaking from the platform. Whenever he goes on the platform to speak, he visualizes this. This is on page number 86. I quiet the wheels of my mind in order that I may present to the subconscious mind my image of thoughts. Then I picture the entire auditorium and the seats filled with men and women, and each one of them illumined and inspired by the infinite healing presence within each one. I see them as radiant, happy, and free. Having first built up the idea of my imagination, I quietly sustain it there as a mental picture while I imagine I hear men and women saying, I am healed, I am wonderful, I have an instantaneous healing, I am transformed. I keep this up for about 10 minutes or more, knowing and feeling that each person's mind and body are saturated with love, wholeness, beauty, and perfection. My awareness grows to the point where in my mind I can actually hear the voices of the multitude proclaiming their health and happiness. Then I realize the whole picture and go on to the platform. Almost every Sunday, some people stop and say that their prayers were answered. This is how this works. Then there is a mental movie method. ये भी हम लोगों ने सबने कहीं ना कहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ है with our coaches. And the line here is, a picture is worth 1,000 words by William James, and act as though I am and I will be. How many of us have heard कि क्या कहते हैं, start imitating how you wish to be, and in some time you will actually become that person, right? इसके अंदर उन्होंने बड़े सारे एक्चुअली वो भी दिए हुए हैं कि अगर आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है मेंटल मूवी मेथड से, ऐसे उसको आप रिजॉल्व कर सकते हो. And one of the things that is happening in my life right now, I have, underlined that as well. And that was, I suggest for those who have homes or property for sale that are that they satisfy themselves in their own mind that their price is right. Then I claim that infinite intelligence is attracting to them the buyer who really wants to have the property and who will love it and prosper in it. After having done this, I suggest that they quiet their mind, relax, let go, and get into drowsy, sleepy state, which reduces all mental effort to the minimum. Then they are to picture the check in their hand, rejoice in the check, and give thanks for the check, and go off to sleep feeling the naturalness of the whole mental movie created in their own mind. They must act as though it were an objective reality, and the subconscious mind will take it as an impression. And through the deeper currents of the mind, the buyer and the sellers are brought together. The mental picture held in the mind, backed by faith, will come to pass. Then there is a body and technique. अगर आपने ये चैप्टर नहीं पढ़ा, आई थिंक इट वाज रियली एन इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू टू रीड. आज जाके वापस जब जाओगे, इफ यू हैव द बुक, प्लीज रीड इट. अदरवाइज इसका पीडीएफ भी आई हैव शेयर्ड इन द ग्रुप. इसके अंदर भी एंटर इनटू योर ड्राउजी स्लीपी स्टेट एंड स्टेट अकिन टू स्लीप इन विच ऑल एफर्ट वाज रिड्यूस्ड टू द मिनिमम. तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि जब हम थोड़े से स्लीपी स्टेट में चले जाते हैं तो हमारी रेजिस्टेंसेस जो या फिर निग्लेक्शन जो हम लोग भेजते हैं या फिर हम रिजेक्शंस जो भेजते हैं अपने दिमाग को कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए नहीं हो सकता, वो कम हो जाती है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट गेट्स मैनिफेस्टेड. Then a quite passive receptive way, by reflecting, he would convey the idea to the subconscious mind. It phrases consisting of 6 words easily graven in the memory. It is finished in divine order. This is the sentence he uses for manifesting his things. It is finished in divine order. It is finished in divine order. लिख लो. The significance to her, these words meant the infinite intelligence operating through the law of her subconscious mind would bring about harmonious adjustment through the principle of harmony. She continued this procedure every night for about 10 nights. After she got into a sleepy state, she would affirm slowly, quietly, and feelingly the statement, "It is finished in divine order," over and over again, feeling a sense of inner peace and an all-pervading tranquility. Then she went off into her deep normal sleep. On the morning of the 11th day, following the use of the above technique, she awakened with the sense of well-being, a conviction that it was finished. Her attorney called her the same day, saying that opposing attorney and his client were willing to settle. The harmonious agreement was reached and litigation was discontinued. This girl was going through a divorce case that she used this. Then is a sleeping technique. वही again drowsy state में जाना है. And the example here that he has taken is, suppose you want to get rid of a destructive habit. Assume a comfortable posture, relax your body and be still. Get into a sleepy state, and in the sleepy state, say quietly over and over again as a lullaby, "I am completely free from this habit. Harmony and peace of mind reign supreme." If you want to write, you can write it. Repeat the above slowly, quietly, and lovingly for 5 to 10 minutes, night and morning. Each time you repeat, the words of emotional value becomes greater. When the urge comes to repeat the negative habit, repeat the above formula out loud to yourself. By this means, you induce the subconscious to accept the idea and healing follows. Thank you technique. ये सबको पता है. थैंक यू करेंगे तो हमारे पास मैनिफेस्ट होगा ही होगा. डू आई नीड टू टेल यू अबाउट दैट एज वेल? बताऊं क्या? Everybody knows the power of gratitude, right? Then the affirmative method. Affirmative method के अंदर there is a principle of intelligence but none of ignorance. There is a principle of harmony, none of discord. There is a principle of health but none of disease. And there is a principle of abundance, but none of poverty. That is what this guy says. जोसेफ मर्फी सेज कि हमारी जो नेचुरल स्टेट है वो हेल्थी है. इट्स नॉट अनहेल्दी स्टेट, है ना? तो हमारे को जब हम ये इस चीज के ऊपर एक्चुअली बिलीव करेंगे तो इट शेल कम ट्रू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर 3+3 हम बोले 7 होता है तो विल यू बिलीव इट? नहीं. यू ऑल नो 3+3 is 6. तो दैट इज हाउ ही हैज shared this, ki health is the truth of our being. When you affirm health, harmony and peace to yourself or another, when you realize these are universal principles of your being, you will rearrange the negative patterns of your subconscious mind based on your faith and understanding that which you affirm. And there is a very beautiful prayer that he has shared किसी को ठीक करने के लिए. Who was sitting far away, अलग अलग कॉन्टिनेंट में बैठे थे. डू यू वांट मी टू रीड द प्रेयर? कोई बता ही नहीं रहा है.
पढ़ी पढ़ी.
The prayer is for my sister Catherine. She is relaxed and at peace, poised, balanced, serene, and calm. The healing intelligence of her subconscious mind, which created her body, is now transforming every cell, nerve, tissue, muscle, and bone of her being according to the perfect pattern of all organs logged in her subconscious mind. Silently, quietly, all distorted thought patterns in her subconscious mind are removed and dissolved, and the vitality, wholeness, and beauty of the life principle are made manifest in every atom of her being. She is now open and receptive to the healing currents which are flowing through her like a river, restoring to perfect health, harmony, and peace. All distortions and ugly images are now washed away by the infinite ocean of love and peace flowing through her, and it is so. He used to affirm this several times in a day, and in 2 weeks, my sister had an examination which showed remarkable healings, he says. अगर आप healer हो तो you can, copy this healing. Then there is an argumentative method. हाँ, बड़े सारे हैं ना methods.
Karishma, you can share the PDF if you want us to read, if you're not like coughing and not well.
अच्छा, रुको.
If you want,
हाँ,
then.
मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I'll have to check. एक सेकेंड रुको. Hmm.
Or we can discuss on the already read points.
एक सेकेंड. इसके अंदर से एक मेथड था जो मुझको एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आया था, तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि कोई पढ़ के आएगा तो मुझे भी समझा देगा.
Which method?
That is the cripple walks.
We can read that one.
एक सेकेंड पढ़ते हैं. 94. Uh, this is the cripple walks. Who wants to read? Anybody who wants to?
Yeah. A cripple walks. Okay. We are about to read a paragraph named A Cripple Walks. Dr. Phineas Parkhurst Zimby, of whom we spoke previously in this chapter, used the absolute method in the later years of his healing career. He was really the father of psychosomatic medicine and the first psychoanalyst. He had the capacity to diagnose clairvoyantly the cause of the patient's troubles, pains, and aches. The following is a condensed account of the healing of a cripple as recorded in Quimby's manuscripts. Quimby was called on to visit a woman who was lame, aged, and bedridden. He states that her ailment was due to the fact that she was imprisoned by a creed so small and contracted that she could not stand upright and move about. She was living in the tomb of fear and ignorance. Furthermore, she was taking the Bible literally, and it frightened her. In this tomb, Quimby said, was the presence and power of God trying to burst the bands, break through the bonds, and rise from the dead. When she would ask others for an explanation of some passage of the Bible, the answer would be a stone. Then she would hunger for the bread of life. Dr. Quimby diagnosed her case as a mind cloudy and stagnated due to excitation and fear caused by the inability to see clearly the meaning of the passage of the Bible. Her problem was coming because of she was not able to understand the passage of the Bible which she had been reading. This showed itself in the body by her heavy and sluggish feeling. She would terminate as paralysis. So at this point, Quimby asked her what was meant in the Bible verses. Yet a little while am I with you, and then I go unto him that sent me. Ye shall seek me, and shall not find me. And where I am, thither ye cannot come. John 7:33-34. She replied that it mean Jesus went to heaven. Quimby what it really meant by telling her that being with her a little while meant his explanation of her symptoms, feelings, and their causes. That is, he had compassion and sympathy for her momentarily, but he could not remain in that mental state. The next step was to go to him that sent us, which, as Quimby pointed out, was the creative power of God in all of us. Quimby immediately traveled in his mind and contemplated the divine ideal, that is, the vitality, intelligence, harmony, and power of God functioning in the sick person. This is how he said to the woman, there, this is how, or this is what he said to the woman. Therefore, where I go, you cannot come, for you are in your narrow, restricted belief, and I am in health. Therefore, where I go, you cannot come, for you are in your narrow, restricted belief, and I am in health. This prayer and explanation produced an instantaneous sensation and a change came over her mind. She walked without her crutches. Quimby said it was one of the most singular of all his healings. She was, as it were, dead to error, and to bring her to life or truth was to raise her from the dead. Quimby quoted the resurrection of Christ and applied it to her own Christ or health. This produced a powerful effect on her. He also explained to her that the truth which she accepted was the angel or idea, which rolled away the stone of fear, ignorance, and superstition, thereby realizing the healing power of God, which made her whole. Yeah, this completes this.
तो इज इट समथिंग लाइक जैसे मूवीज में होता है कि तुम नहीं चल सकते, तुम नहीं चल सकते, मैं नहीं, तुम नहीं चल पाओगे, और चले जाते हैं और पीछे से कहते हैं नहीं मैं चल सकता हूँ. इज इट दैट?
something is she was understanding the verses very wrongly. Verses. And the meaning was quite different. This I remember from the time I read previously also, that the exact meaning was totally different, but she had understood it differently. So yeah, sometimes uh, it's not awakening, but sometimes it takes a seconds also definitely to heal some people. We have seen such miracles in our history before, or heard of them, not seen, but heard of such miracles. That mind just opened up. Vikas ji will share now more.
Hanji Vikas. Let's hear it from you.
Yes, basically, the way you think, the way you understand means she construed it wrongly. What correct, yeah, Kamal is also saying, right? So when the faith in God was instilled in her, then she responded. The vitality, the intelligence, the harmony, and the power of the God functioning even in the sick person, right? So there is creative power of God dwelling within all of us. This is the thing that Quimbley reminded her of, and this did the prayer and the explanation produced the changes in her, and she walked without her crutches, right? So yes, it is very important for us to remind every time we feel unhealed, we feel sometimes restricted, or we sometimes ourselves interfere in our own healing through our disbelief, through lack of faith, through doubt, fear, and all. So it is all the more important during those times that we remind ourselves of the creative power of God that dwells in all of us, and this vitality, intelligence, harmony, and power of God is functioning in every one of us all the time. So this reminder can help us even for the person with the crutches to move without the crutches.
So, is it that there are times we perceive things differently? We make our own stories in our head, and that leads to our being stuck in life.
Yes, sometimes the reality that we see does not support and does not favor the faith that we had. Suppose I am moving with the faith, but the reality does not support me.
Hmm.
So sometimes this faith gets shattered. So this, if you firmly believe and trust the process of God, which basically, then you will find that the healing will happen, is bound to happen, because the healing power already dwells in all of us.
Yes.
We interfere in the process of healing with our doubt, with our lack of faith, with our fear, with our insecurity, and all. Yes, just trust the process and believe that we all have the power within us to heal ourselves. It is our own thought, basically. Ultimately, it is our own thought that heals us or hurt us,
Hmm.
right? So this divine power is there in all of us.
Wow. Then the last but not the least was the decree method. Iskandar, that something that I loved was power goes into our words according to the feelings and faith behind it. I think all the processes that have been shared here, the base for it is feeling and the faith behind it. Yeah. And when we realize the power that moves the world is moving on our behalf and is backing up the world, our confidence and assurance grows. He is in his true place at all times. I am free and he is free. this young girl used the decree method on a young man who was constantly phoning her and उसके आगे पीछे घूम रहा था. तो what she did was she decreed as follows: the release onto God. The release onto God. So he is in his true place at all times. I am free and he is free. I now decree that my words go forth into the infinite mind and it brings it to pass. It is so. She said he vanished and she has never seen him since, adding that it was as though the ground swallowed him up. Thou shalt decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee, and the light shall shine upon thy ways. Job 22:28. That is given in the Bible. Let's quickly come to the serve yourself with scientific truths. These are the few, pointers that the author has given towards the end of this chapter. That says, be a mental engineer and use tried and proven techniques in building a grander and greater life. Now, I would welcome each one of you to one by one go ahead and share as to what does that mean to you. Let's start from Komal. Komal, do we have you here? Let's go to Madhulika. Madhulika, let's hear it from you.
Yeah, what was it?
Be a mental engineer and use tried and proven techniques in building a grander and greater life.
Yeah, that definitely, this is a very impactful line, and which shows the power of our mind, that yes, we all are mental engineers. And what I believe from this is, I don't know, I mean, मतलब हम जो धर्म मानते हैं, मैं जो धर्म मानती हूँ, we have this story in our Ramayana also. हनुमान जी को अपनी सारी शक्तियां भूल गए थे, बट जाम शक्तियां सब उनके अंदर ही थी. He knew he can be as big as a mountain or as tiny as a fly. He can fly across this ocean. He can pick up a big mountain and he can bring that mountain. तो शक्तियां तो सारी उनमें पहले से थी, भूल गए थे. हर किसी के जीवन में एक जामवंत आता है. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये डॉक्टर जोसेफ मर्फी इज एक्टिंग लाइक जामवंत ओवर हियर. He is realizing, he's making all of us realize that yes, we all have power. And in our otherwise also, most of the energy, 80% of the energy is used by brain. जब हम दिमाग से थक जाते हैं, we are exhausted. Physically हम बहुत जल्दी रिकवर कर जाते हैं. आप थके, आप चले, आप थके, आप ट्रेडमिल पे चले, आपने 5 मिनट रेस्ट किया, you are back in game. But when you are drained out mentally, it is very difficult for you to back in the game very quickly. So because that is the most important and very powerful organ that we have. And yes, to engineer that, like एक फोन का भी मैनुअल आता है, लैपटॉप का भी मैनुअल आता है, छोटे से छोटे गैजेट का भी मैनुअल आता है. So if such an beautiful engineering is done by that Almighty, इसका भी एक मैनुअल होगा, पक्का होगा. और हम बिना मैनुअल पढ़े हम कुछ नहीं चलाते, माइक्रोवेव भी नहीं चलाते. पता नहीं इसको क्यों चला रहे हैं बिना मैनुअल पढ़े. We should know, we should realize, we must know that yes, we all have power. We all can, we all can change our lives, our present and future. Not even ours. हमारे साथ में जितने भी acquaintances हैं, जितने हमारे साथ में रह रहे हैं, जो भी मिलते हैं, they all should be motivated with us. We all can, we can all improve our health by saying my body is filled with vitality and I am completely healthy and strong. We all can use a line for wealth that yes, abundance flows freely to me. Relationship, yes, I'm surrounded with loving and positive relationships. Even like I'm going to take an stress management class for a session on stress management for students there, where I'll be asking them to say that I'm calm during the exams, I'm focused, I'm successful in my studies and exams. So yeah, we all have power. एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट पावरफुल ऑर्गन दैट वी हैव. सो इसकी इंजीनियरिंग तो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है. थोड़ा सा मैनुअल इसका भी पढ़ लेना चाहिए हम लोगों को.
Wonderful, wonderful share. Let's hear it from Vikas. Vikas, are you there with us? Hello, Vikas.
Yes, very beautifully said by Madhurika ma'am. I do agree. हम मोबाइल का तो मैनुअल पढ़ के यूज करते हैं, टीवी का मैनुअल पढ़ के यूज करते हैं, ओवन के लिए भी इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल देखते हैं, लेकिन जो सबसे पावरफुल एसेट है हमारा माइंड, इट हैज बोथ द पावर्स. इट कैन लीड us to grandeur or it can be disastrous for us. It is like double-edged sword. So if we do not control our mind will control us. And this is exactly what is happening. If we do not know how to operate that tool, that sophisticated gadget called mind, then it will doom us to disaster and failure. Like we all have the power to remember, we all have the power to forget. But we remember those things which we should forget, and we forget those things which we should remember. So somehow we have installed the operating system which is corrupt, which is malfunctioning, and it is in a way affecting the way we behave, the way we act, the way we interact. And you see, if your operating system is dysfunctional, corrupt, your whole system will go haywire. And this is exactly what is happening. So it is very important. Yes, ma'am, you are saying something. Want to say something?
या विकास जी, आई मुझे एक छोटी सी कहानी याद आई, अगर आप परमिट
Yes, let's
करें.
hear it.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल.
एक गांव था, उसमें एक बूढ़ा रहता था. उसके पास एक काला मुर्गा था और एक सफेद मुर्गा था. अब वो रोज उसको गांव के बाजार में लेके जाता था, पैसे लगाता था, लड़वाता था उन दोनों को और पैसे लगाता था. वो कभी नहीं हारता था. बाकी दुनिया हारे जीते, जुआ खेलते थे, पैसा लगाते थे, वो कभी नहीं हारता था. तो उसका पोता उसके साथ जाता था. उसका पोता कहता, बाबा मैंने ये तो देखा कि कौन हारता है कौन जीतता है, पर तू यूं बता कि तू कैसे सदा जीतता है, तू क्यों नहीं हारता कभी. कहता मुझे पता होता है कौन सा जीतेगा, जिसको मैं खाना खिलाता हूँ वही जीतेगा ना. सो इट इज द सेम थिंग. what like विकास जी ने जो अभी बोला, that what part of we have a double edged sword. So जिसको हम धार देंगे वही आगे चलती रहेगी. So it was very beautifully shared with by विकास जी that yes, हमारे पास दोनों तरह के सिस्टम है. हमें कुछ चीजें याद रखनी चाहिए, कुछ भूल जानी चाहिए, लेकिन हम फीड उसको करते हैं जो हमें भूल जाना चाहिए. हम उसको रिपीट करते रहते हैं, रिपीट टेलीकास्ट. तो उससे वो हमें याद रहता है और जो अच्छी चीजें होती हैं वी जस्ट लेट इट गो कि ये तो आई मीन दिस इज नॉर्मल. So beautifully shared, Vikas ji, and I'm sorry to take your time in this.
No, it's perfect. You're right. Yes, we are, and very beautifully said by you also. So that thing which we feed will grow stronger, है ना. आपने मुर्गा के बारे में सुना, मैंने सफेद कुत्ता काला कुत्ता के बारे में सुना.
स्टोरी सेम है.
यस, स्टोरी सेम है. तो यस, ऑल्दो कई बार ना कुछ चीजें बराबर सुनते सुनते ना क्लीसे हो जाती है और हमारा ध्यान उस पर हट जाता है. हम इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल पे, सरफेस लेवल पे तो समझ रहे हैं चीजों को, लेकिन व्हेन इट कम्स टू इम्प्लीमेंटिंग हमको रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है कि ये चीज वाकई में कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो दिस चैप्टर सर्व्स एज ए रिमाइंडर. जो आपने बोला जामवंत, तो सही में मर्फी साहब ने जामवंत का काम किया है और करिश्मा ने भी उनका साथ दिया है. और
वो तो है ही, आई मीन वही है, नशा बोतल में होता तो शराब में होता तो बोतल ना नाचती, वही है, सेम। आई मीन सीरियसली करिश्मा, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू आई हैव इवन ओपन दिस बुक एंड आई एम टर्निंग द पेजेस, वरना ये मेरे बुक शेल्फ में ऐसे ही रखी हुई थी। मैंने जब खोला मुझे लगा कि पहले दूसरे पन्ने पे होगी, मैं बहुत देर तक तो ढूंढती रही करिश्मा का है, फिर जब पता लगा ओ भाई साहब 56वें पन्ने पे, 56 यू सेड, 82, तो मैंने कहा ओ बाप रे, ये तो बहुत आगे है। So thanks, Karishma. Yeah, you are the real Jambant over here.
Chalo, let's go to the next point. Point number 2 says your desire is your prayer. Picture the fulfillment of your desire now and feel its reality, and you will experience the joy of the answered prayers. ये तो हमारे साथ मधुलिका, मेरे साथ और कोमल के साथ हो ही गया है। विकास के साथ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, विकास के साथ भी 100% हुआ ही होगा, बट लेट्स हियर।
नहीं देखो, मैं आई विल टेल यू द साइंस बिहाइंड इट, व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग and why our affirmations that we repeat on every day does not work for might be some of us. But when you said, Neeraj, you will ask for time from me, you will ask for an appointment from me, and just the way Madhulika ma'am also said, right? So you were emotionally charged when you said that. That did the trick. Thought is just a neutral impulse like thing, but when you load it with emotions, when you charge it emotionally, then the power gets magnified significantly. And thought with feeling will start magnetizing situations, people likewise. And that's why it happened for both of you. And I had shared several times this example. Like, जो लोग सुसाइड कमिट करते हैं ना, वो लोग बोलते हैं ये दुनिया जीने लायक नहीं है, दुनिया जीने लायक नहीं है, और बोलते बोलते फिर वो इतना चार्ज हो जाते हैं ना कि दे डू नॉट थिंक रैशनली कि हाँ सुसाइड करना खराब है या अच्छा है, राइट? इट जस्ट हैपेंस. सो योर इनर मूवमेंट causes outer movement, and you all created the inner movement. I also created the inner movement, जो आपने मुझे बोला शेयर करने के लिए. जब मुझे टीचर ने बोला था, मैं 12th में पढ़ रहा था, कि उन्होंने बोला कि आप आर्ट्स ले लो, यू आर नॉट मेड फॉर इंजीनियरिंग. तो उस समय बोला अब तो मैं इंजीनियर बन के ही रहूंगा. ठीक है, तो मैंने इंजीनियरिंग करी, अच्छे कॉलेज से करी, मैंने उनको मिठाई भी खिलाया, लेकिन बाय दैट टाइम मेरा वो चार्ज खत्म हो गया था कि भाई मैं प्रूव करना है ना. मेरे को लगा हाँ करना है, खुद से करना है, खुद के लिए करना है, राइट? बट दैट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज इमोशनली चार्ज्ड, आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग एक्शन, और धीरे करके वो सारी चीज होने लगी. तो वो क्या होती है ना, उसमें पावर आ जाता है, उसमें फोर्स आ जाता है. तो वो फोर्स आप लोगों में था, और आपको पता नहीं कैसे कैसे करके सिचुएशंस, बोलते हैं ना कि आपको पता नहीं है कि किस तरह से
हाउ द क्रिएटर डिजाइन्स थिंग्स, मैनिपुलेट करके हमारे को कहीं ना कहीं जहां पहुंचाना होता है पहुंचा ही देता है.
बस ये जो होता है डिवाइन ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन.
यस.
तो हाउ थिंग्स फॉल इन प्लेस इस तरह से कि यदि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते, वो चीजें आपके सामने आने लगेगी, सिचुएशन आने लगेंगे, लोग आने लगेंगे, और वो सारी चीजें आपको सपोर्ट करेगी, एंड यू विल बी ऑर्डेंट, पता नहीं चलेगा आपको कैसे हो रहा है. सो दैट इज द मैजिक ऑफ, जो बोलते हैं ना भगवान हमारे सब में है, तो वो वाकई में है. हम लोग उस पावर को
रियलाइज नहीं किए.
रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं, और वी tap into its potential only to the degree of our faith in it.
यस.
यदि हमको faith नहीं है, तो it will not work. If you think you can do it, you are right. If you think you cannot do it, you are also right. Just this way. If you think it works, it will work. If you think it does not work, it will not work. Right? Ultimately, this is the belief that you carry, and your belief creates your reality.
Let's hear it from Komal.
Karishma, actually, yeah, um, I would be logging off.
Okay.
I have something like Reiki one class at 2 p.m. So
Mhm.
because of that, I was just away for 5 minutes. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you for joining in, Komal. Let's
Definitely.
hear it from Madhulika.
Yeah, hi. Even I also have I also have a session at 2 p.m. So I've last 1 minute left. I take sessions for QMath. So my student will be logging in another 1 minute. So I take your leave. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Vikasji, for your beautiful share. Thanks, Karishma. Thanks, Komal.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, Madhulika,
Karishma,
ma'am.
you are the lighting lamp for us. Seriously.
Thank you. Thank you. It means a lot, darling.
Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye.
I'll also be noting down the very beautiful points shared by Madhulika ji and Vikas ji and Karishma's efforts, everything. Like we know these things, but we forget that
Yes.
story which was shared. Yeah.
Share
Thank
it in the group as well. Go
Definitely.
share it in the group.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Thank Sure, sure. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
third point says desire to accomplish things the easy way with the sure aid of mental science. Desire to accomplish things the easy way with the sure aid of mental science. तो उसने ये बोला ना कि वी इफ वी मेंटल साइंस इज व्हाट इफ वी बिलीव सो शैल वी रिसीव एंड अगर हमारे को उसके साथ हम अपने आप को एड करते रहेंगे तो वी विल रिसीव व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर looking forward to. Point number 4 says you can build radiant health, success, and happiness by the thoughts you think in the hidden studio of your mind. Exactly the same thing. I know somebody who has read this book and उनको कुछ तो problem थी and they have that person has recovered from the health problem that he was having. And उसी के बाद I was so, after knowing that I was so, curious to read what exactly this book holds. And now I understand why.
So basically, see, most of the us understand it intellectually, but when it comes to practical life, it is not the conscious mind that works. 95% of our action is dictated by what is going on in our inner world, that is subconscious mind. And subconscious mind has deeply ingrained programmings
Yes.
which cannot be deleted and removed or changed and replaced with simple intellectual understanding. It will require reconditioning. So just the way I was sharing, why I'm so unlucky, right? So you are already carrying the belief that I'm unlucky, I'm not lucky. Now what will hold true for you?
I
You
am.
will prove to be unlucky, right? Why God
Whatever
always,
you focus on, the mind is going to bring the evidences of that only in front of you.
yes. So see I always say इस इक्वेशन को पकड़ के रखना है. जब भी कोई निगेटिविटी दिखे, जब भी ऐसी सिचुएशन मुझे दिखे जो कि मैं प्रिफर नहीं करता हूं, नहीं करती, जो कि फेवरेबल है या नहीं है, अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन है तो इट इज ऑल द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट when the situations are unfavorable, when there are situations that you do not prefer, it is all the more important to become conscious, to consciously create positive thoughts.
Yes.
Because sometimes, see, we see the evidence of something else and it is harder for us to create the thoughts and have faith and belief, to continue to believe opposite to what is evident in front of us. This is the real challenge. This Joseph Murphy book is very widely read book, Power of Subconscious Mind. But why many people are not able to manifest? Because intellectually they understand, but they have not really actually worked on their inner game.
Yeah.
Right? So it requires deep reconditioning. See, I have told you that by the age we are 14, we have been told 14,000 times, you cannot do it, you cannot do it. Now
And
you have understood intellectually, yes, I can do it. And people often say that why I need to repeat affirmation every single day. And even after repeating for so many days, I find it difficult to believe it, because you have already repeated, and that to a subconscious level during
Yes.
the childhood days, when we get conditioned very easily, and the thoughts or the words of our parents and society gets deeply imprinted
Hmm.
in our mind. So it gains direct into our subconscious during our childhood days. Now we have the filter. In our adulthood we have the filter, then we can assess the pros and cons, and then we can allow something to enter inside. But what has already gone inside,
उसको
that
निकालना और
uh,
उसको erase करना is the task.
is the task.
That is difficult.
Yes.
Another point that I really loved in this was the mental picture is worth 1,000 words. Your subconscious will bring to pass any picture held in the mind backed with faith. And इसके साथ ही एक और बोल देती हूँ, avoid all efforts or mental coercion or in prayer. Get into a sleepy, drowsy state and lull yourself to sleep, feeling and knowing that your prayer is answered.
So I will tell you the science behind it. Why it is said that as you were about to go to sleep, put that thought into your mind?
क्योंकि तो
Because
सबकॉन्शियस के साथ ज्यादा बात हो रही होती है. Subconscious is more
the conscious mind is dormant at that time.
active.
It is our conscious mind that interferes with the higher intelligence to work. We do not trust the higher intelligence.
Yes.
Our natural intelligence always looks for evidence, physical evidence, for it to believe.
Hmm.
And the point is, we want something which we do not have evidence of right now. So, and this is only possible when you surrender to the subconscious mind in utmost faith. In the case in with surrender, uh, and you're almost absolutely certain that the process will work.
And then for that, this one is also saying that generate electronic waves of harmony, health, and peace by thinking of the love and the glory of God. Because जब हम ये generate करेंगे अपने अंदर, तो I think we will be at a higher frequency. And
Yes,
because of which the manifestation or things coming into reality will be much more easier.
so true.
What you decree and feel as true will come to pass. Decree harmony, health, peace, and abundance. Wait, what
Yes,
you say, so shall you receive. What you ask for is what you receive. If you knock, the door will be opened. And
yes,
while reading this chapter, one more thing that came to my mind was ki if we are asking for somebody else's bad, then also this is not going to work. It is going to work if you are asking for harmony around everybody's life. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो वो प्रॉपर्टी वाला उसने किए बोला था, he said कि my price of the property should be this, and whosoever is buying it is also living in it with the love and harmony and peace. So we have to, in fact, वो कहते हैं ना सरबत दा भला मांगो सरदारों में, तो सबका भला मांगेंगे तो हमारा भी भला होगा एंड जल्दी होगा.
नहीं, ये फैक्ट है ना. देखो, एनर्जेटिकली वी आर ऑल वन.
यस.
तो अगर आप किसी दूसरे का बुरा चाह रहे हो, सोच रहे हो आप दूसरे का बुरा, लेकिन वो आपका इनडायरेक्टली बुरा हो रहा है.
यस.
है ना. वी हैव टू लोअर आवरसेल्फ टू दैट लेवल टू थिंक इल ऑफ अदर्स,
यस.
which means I have lowered my vibration. So we are the first one to get impacted, in fact.
यस.
Right? तो वो नहीं है.
All right. Thank you so much, Vikas, for joining in and sharing your insightful thoughts. Thanks to Madhurika and Komal as well, who joined in. And it was amazing having this read with you. Tomorrow, we will be doing chapter number 7. The tendency of the subconscious is life words. I hope you read this chapter before coming in the room so that we don't have to go through the chapter once again, and we will just go through the takeaways of the chapter. ठीक है?
Okay.
Take care. Bye-bye.